Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC, and today's video I will show you how to remove app from graphics dedicated on your Windows PC. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to come down below right here where you have your startup menu right here. Right click on that. Go ahead and click on settings. And go ahead and click on system display sound and notification power. Click on that. Then here you go. Scroll down right here. Go ahead and come to graphics settings right here. Click on that. Then here we go. You have your all apps in graphics dedicated sections right here. Anyone you want to remove, go ahead and select on it. Then click on remove right here. And in a few seconds, the app is going to be removed from your dedicated graphics high performance on your Windows PC. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.